With the mania phase of the bull cycle likely upon us, an app to do all things crypto is super handy. We previously did a video on the OKX mobile Web3 wallet and its push to be a crypto super app. This time they've generously sponsored this review so that we can highlight its advancements towards that vision, like support for 100 plus chains, aggregating 500 plus dexes to provide access to millions of tokens, and its latest features and updates. If you're new here, OKX started as a crypto exchange and has grown into one of the most popular platforms worldwide with millions of users. Their on-chain Web3 wallet has become a go-to for everyday crypto needs, whether on your desktop through its website or browser extension, using the mobile app for iOS or Android, or even accessing it through Telegram. Though OKX also operates as a centralized exchange, their wallet is a completely distinct platform, which is a fully self-custodial, non-KYC wallet, meaning you have full control over your assets in it and can create your own self-managed wallet within seconds. On the website, the wallet is called Dex, which you can find right here. On the mobile app, you can access the wallet through the Wallet tab. It's also reassuring to know that they focus on security and transparency. It's ranked highly by Certic and has also been audited by other reputable firms like HackerOne and Slowmist. Plus, the wallet's code is open source, meaning that anyone can review it. There are a few ways to safely add an existing wallet, such as importing via seed phrase, private key, cloud backup, or keyless wallet restoration. The keyless wallet option is an advanced security feature powered by multi-party computation. In simple terms, you don't have to manage private keys or seed phrases directly, and instead of having one private key, MPC splits it into 3 key shares. This means your full private key is never in one place for an attacker to exploit. Meanwhile, if you prefer convenience, the cloud storage option provides an easy way to recover your wallet if needed. Moving on to its latest features. Most of it has to do with optimizing for Memecoin trading. When you visit okx.com/web3, the first thing you'll notice is the real-time data analysis for millions of tokens across the major networks. Now, this is useful if you're wanting to head into the Memecoin's trenches and want a simple way to start researching them. The largest section on the page is laid out in columns showing things like price, market cap, liquidity, unique traders, holders, and turnover. By default, it's sorted by trending tokens across all networks, so you get an instant view of what's popular right now. If you want to look at tokens differently, there are options like top searches, which shows tokens getting the most attention, and newest, which highlights the most recently listed tokens. If you want even more control, clicking the filter button opens up a detailed menu with a variety of options. Alongside common metrics like transaction volume and market cap, you'll find filters for unique traders, which lets you focus on tokens with a specific number of individual traders, and FDV, or fully diluted valuation, to gauge a token's potential market value. There's also token age, where you can narrow down your search to newer or more established tokens, and at the very bottom you can even toggle this option to hide risky tokens. Once you've found tokens that catch your eye, you can add them to your watch list by clicking the star icon next to the token. You can view saved tokens on the watch list page. Each token also has its own dedicated page with more detailed info, and it's also where you can connect your wallet right away to start trading it. Here you'll find tools like price charts, liquidity trends, transaction history, and other features to help you track the token's behavior and monitor market activity in real time. For one, right above the live candlestick chart, you'll notice these 3 key metrics. Top 10 holders, which shows the percentage of the token supply held by the 10 largest wallets. Suspicious wallets, which flags addresses potentially involved in activities like insider trading. And snipers, referring to wallets that have quickly bought and sold the token. If you want to dive deeper into these metrics, just scroll down to the Holders tab. Here you'll find a detailed breakdown of these metrics, including wallet addresses, their holdings, and recent changes. You can even track the behavior of suspicious wallets or check if sniper wallets have exited their positions. Buy and sell indicators are also available, allowing you to track on-chain transactions from specific wallet addresses, helping traders monitor whale activity, gauge market sentiment, identify patterns and other insights to make informed decisions. Another feature that stands out on this page is the security audit dropdown. It gives you a quick look at any risks that a token might have, like honeypot traps, fee stealing mechanisms, or other exploitable contract functions. When you're ready to act on your research, OKX Wallet has 4 trading modes designed to suit different needs. To access these modes, simply click the trade button in the bottom middle of the screen. For quick and straightforward swaps, there's easy mode. It's built for simplicity. You just pick the token, confirm the amount, and the trade is done. If you want more control, however, there's the swap mode, which allows limit orders. This lets you set a specific price for what you want to buy or sell an asset, and whenever the target price is hit within the expiration time that you've set, your trade will execute automatically. Next, there's the bridge mode, which you can use to move assets between different networks. For example, if you want to bridge tokens from Ethereum to Solana, just select the token and enter the amount. The wallet will calculate the real-time exchange rate, network fees, and show the minimum amount that you'll receive on the destination chain. You'll also notice this bridge route option, which lets you compare different bridging routes. You'll see detailed options like overall best, fastest, and best value so that you can choose the route that fits your needs. Finally, the standout feature is its meme mode, designed to make trading meme coins fast and straightforward. Once you enter meme mode, you can toggle between buying and selling here. If you're buying, you'll see the token that you're trading, the amount of SOL you're paying, and the estimated tokens that you'll receive. You can choose from preset amounts like 0.5, 2, or 5 SOL, or customize the exact amount. Below that, you can adjust slippage settings to ensure your trade goes through even when prices are volatile. You can also set a priority fee, regular, fast, or turbo, depending on how quickly you want your transaction to confirm. When everything is set, just hit quick buy to complete the trade. Hopefully, when you are taking profits, selling in meme mode is just as simple. Switch to the sell tab, where you'll see your token balance and preset options like selling 25%, 50%, or a custom percentage. Once you've chosen how much to sell, click quick sell, and your position will be exited almost instantly. These settings, along with those for buying, are saved based on your previous configurations. This means you can quickly return to the same parameters for fast swaps every time. The wallet also includes a multi-chain digital assets marketplace that you can access by navigating to the Marketplace tab in the bottom menu. This section opens up a variety of digital assets, including NFTs, inscriptions, and runes. Starting with NFTs, you can browse through top collections across multiple networks. Use the search bar at the top if you're looking for a specific collection. Once you find a collection that interests you, click on it to explore individual NFTs. From there, you can add an NFT to your cart or purchase it directly. For inscriptions, you can also explore trending options, track price changes, and even sort by metrics like sales volume or minting status. Clicking on any inscription redirects you to its dedicated page where you can complete the purchase. Moving on, the drop section highlights exclusive and limited time events. This includes allow lists, free minting opportunities, and giveaways, making it easy to participate in early stage projects or snag limited edition assets. On top of discovering, managing, and trading NFTs, you can also interact with DeFi protocols, all within the app itself. To explore these protocols, just tap the Discover tab at the bottom of the app and then click Earn. This gives you access to hundreds of opportunities to earn on your digital assets without needing to leave the wallet. From here, you can dive into opportunities like staking rewards, liquidity pools, and lending options. For added security, the wallet includes built-in protections to safeguard your transactions when interacting with these protocols. It monitors dApp authorizations and third-party links to block any malicious activity before it can cause issues. Finally, the wallet offers a discover section, bringing together all the relevant meme trading tools and launchpads in one place. You can click on any of the listed options to visit their websites directly via the wallet's browser. However, an even faster way to dive into new meme tokens is by navigating to the meme factory. Just click tokens in the bottom navigation menu and then select Meme Factory. From there, you can browse through new meme tokens and even discover those that are yet to launch. In addition to providing easy access to meme trading tools, the Discover section also allows you to participate in trading competitions and giveaways and explore other on-chain ecosystems all in one place. And that wraps up the new features. Be sure to keep an eye on OKX's website or social media for future updates as they continue to expand their wallet's capabilities. If you're ready to get started, head over to okx.com/web3 or click the link in the description below to create your free self-custodial wallet. Try it out and share your experience with us.